RJ Martin here with Follow Filmer Video Production. I recently bought a new deck at Travel Skate Shop in Rahway, New Jersey, and today I'm going to show you how I set it up and create a custom cutout for my top graphic. Let's get to it.
You will need a pen, a box cutter or razor blade, and a file. Measure where to cut for the top graphic by lining up the end of the grip tape with the tip of the tail and marking the back side of the grip tape. Then, using the box cutter, I cut out along the arc that I have drawn. Peel the back. Now make sure to slowly and carefully unroll the grip tape on top of your board so that you don't get any air bubbles trapped beneath. You're going to take the file and rub around the edge of the deck to score the grip tape. You use the box cutter to cut off the excess grip tape. Once you have fully cut off the excess grip tape, you use a piece of the grip tape that you just cut as sandpaper to sand along the edge so that you now have a nice smooth edge between the deck and the edge of the grip tape. To make holes to mount your trucks, take a mounting bolt, put it in a hole on the underside of the deck, and punch it through. If you need to learn how to change your trucks, please see my Follow Filmer video, Beginner How To, changing your trucks to a different deck.
Let's give this a spin, see how it works. My new Death Wish deck, Brian O'Dwyer, Mob Grip, feels great.